is an acronym to refer to uninsured motorist coverage. UIM coverage is optional coverage that I encourage every driver to have. It is first-party coverage that protects you and your family if you are in a collision, even if you are not in your own vehicle at the time of the collision. It is against the law for your insurance company to raise your rates simply for you making a claim under your or UIM coverage. coverage protects you and your family in the event a driver causes a collision with you and is not insured. coverage also applies if the negligent driver is unknown or flees the scene of your collision. When we say UIM, we are using an acronym to refer to underinsured motorist coverage. This is coverage that protects you and your family in the event a driver causes a collision with you and has a liability insurance policy that is lower than the total amount of your damages. Even though Arizona will be raising the minimum state-required limits in July 2020 to $25,000, that might still not be enough to compensate you for your damages if you're injured significantly in a collision. We've seen hospital bills for just one visit exceed $25,000. If your damages are higher than the at-fault driver's liability coverage and you don't have UIM coverage, you risk being unable to recover the full amount of your damages. UIM coverage is extremely important coverage to have. It is the best way to ensure that you and your family members can be fully compensated for harms caused by a negligent driver. Medical payments coverage is another type of optional insurance coverage. Often referred to in Arizona as MedPay, this coverage compensates you for your out-of-pocket medical expenses in the event you're in a collision. While it is not necessarily vital coverage for all individuals to have, MedPay certainly can be helpful for those who do not have health insurance or for those who are worried about their extremely high health insurance deductible. The cost of MedPay can be relatively minimal in comparison to the benefit you receive, so it's best to ask an insurance agent. It could be pennies or dollars extra a month.